Welcome, my friend, to another episode of Money Bag Mindfulness. I'm your host, Mom Moon. It's a pleasure to join you across time and space. If you're feeling pain inside your heart, feeling your mind restless, many thoughts circulating about what's gonna happen or what's not gonna happen, feeling worried about the future, depressed about the past, feeling lonely, insecure about your body, insecure about your financial situation, feeling vulnerable in relationship, feeling just fed up with this life. I want you to know that you're not alone and that millions, if not billions of people can relate. We're gonna take some deep breaths and see if we can come back to trust in the unfolding of life. Remembering that life takes care of life and that you are part of life. So with that being said, getting comfortable, getting in a posture where you can be aware. Becoming aware of your space. Becoming aware of how you're sat. Becoming aware of how your body feels. Your energy level. Becoming aware of any tension inside. Witnessing and welcoming all tension inside. Unpleasant emotions, thoughts. Embracing it all like old friends. And dropping the shoulders away from your ears, relaxing your belly, letting go of tension in the jaw, the lips and the forehead. With closed eyes, looking inside, becoming aware of the spaciousness that is already inside. Taking a deep breath in through your nose and exhaling out the mouth. Breathing in fully and completely. And exhale, letting go, releasing stress. Breathing in trust. And exhale, letting go of insecurities. Nothing to do with our insecurities, but just letting them go. Don't worry, they'll come back. Breathing in love for yourself. Exhaling love for others. Sending love to somebody who challenges you, who maybe triggers some emotions, some unpleasant thoughts, who really frustrates you from time to time. saying love to that person. Breathing in grounded energy. And exhale, feeling yourself more grounded, rooted in this moment. Breathing in beauty. And exhaling, feeling yourself more beautiful inside and out. Inhaling through the nose. And exhale, pushing the belly outwards, dropping the shoulders, opening your chest, relaxing the face, bringing a smile, smiling at the pain inside. Smiling at the love that's already inside. Remembering that you have a reservoir of love just underneath the anxieties, the criticism. Breathing in new life, new energy. And exhale, letting go of past. Feeling yourself present as you breathe in. And breathing out, letting go. Breathing in peacefulness. Holding that energy inside. Exhale, letting go of the inner criticism, shame, guilt, letting that go. Becoming aware of your posture, aware of how you're sat. The color for today is green, the number is 30, and the animal is a giraffe. Taking a deep breath in. And exhale out. Breathing in humbleness. Exhale, bowing down to life, trusting in life's intelligence, that life is guiding you exactly where you're supposed to be. Unfolding exactly as it should, coming back to trust, coming back to faith in the unfolding of life. So you take one more deep breath in and exhale out. I thank you for joining me across time and space, sending you a big hug, wishing you an abundance of love. For yourself, for other people, for those people that challenge you and frustrate you. To be able to love those people is one of the greatest teachings, one of the greatest practices. Difficult, yes, very difficult, but even if we fall short in loving other people who challenge us, it's just try again the next day. Try again to bring that kindness and put love over criticism, negativity, finding all these areas where people are going wrong. Instead of that, looking more at where people are going right, appreciating people for where they're at, accepting other people and enjoying them for where they are in life. This is a practice that I share with you, that I practice myself, and it's very difficult, but we keep trying. Come back into compassion, not taking things so personally, and just being more loving. Well, make sure to give it to yourself too. It's hard to love other people when you're being really hard on yourself. And with that, I will see you back here tomorrow with love.